Hello everyone, today we are going to make veg fried rice. For that, in a pan I have taken about 1 tablespoon of refined oil. You may also use ghee if you wish to. And there goes 2 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon and 1 cardamom. You may also add bay leaf if you wish to. Now I add chopped onion. I've taken about 1 onion. Finely chopped carrot and finely chopped capsicum or bell pepper. You may add other veggies. Now we stir fry it in high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Chili, now I've added half a teaspoon of Garam masala, salt as per taste, and half a teaspoon of sugar. The parboiled rice. I've taken about 1 medium bowl of rice, steamed rice. Mix it up with the veggies. Now we add about 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and mix it up again. Teaspoon of tomato ketchup, and there you go. After cooking for 3 to 4 minutes, your veg fried rice is ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you.